Hello, hello and welcome. We are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Welcome to a new episode of 0 to 100, a show that we are always happy to share with you and that takes us from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. We're gonna spend together an hour listening to great records that you probably won't hear anywhere else. So welcome everyone. We have a live chat. Feel free to interact with us from wherever you are connected. It's going to be a jam-packed episode. We have tons of records that landed at XYZ this past month and we can't wait to share them with you. So let's start off with a very, I would say, unique record. To warm up a little bit and get started for today's episode, I thought to select a unique release. And I'm preparing the cover because I'm going to be sharing that with you in just about a second. This record is a record I've been after for a very long time, and I finally managed to get a copy. I'm talking about ModeZeroOfficial, Black Mahogany. For over 20 years now, this record has been a true gem. ModeZeroOfficial's Black Mahogany still stands as one of Detroit's most soulful deep house masterpieces. Released in 2004, it blends house, jazz, and 70s soul with the help of Detroit's greatest like Amp Fiddler and Norma Jean Bill. ModeZeroOfficial's signature tension and warmth turned the album into a timeless journey, an essential piece of modern Black American music. These are just a couple of notes that I wrote down to share this record with you in case you never heard of ModeZeroOfficial or you never heard about Black Mahogany. Without waiting, I'm gonna play this and share it with you. Feel free to interact with the chat. And stay tuned, it's going to be a jam-packed episode. We are live streamed from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy! What a trip, what a trip. Moody Man Black Mahogany. It's a fantastic record, and let me share with you the cover. This is the anniversary release, released initially in 2004. What an amazing gem. Good DJ on the 18th release of London's own house imprint Inermu. Fantastic, deep floor focused release. What a wonderful gem. Thank you everyone for tuning in and welcome to the live chat. 0 to 100. We have an incredible selection of records today. This one I got this record when I was in London last time, and it was a Phonica Records, and it was playing in the background, and I was listening to this groove, and it was incredibly hypnotic. So Luther Vine was of course selecting records as usually, he working his magic, and I said pop this one in as well. So I grabbed this copy and I played it also in one of my recent sets, and the reaction on the dance floor was definitely great. So happy to share that with you. Now, up next, we have Shingo Suwa, Seishin, and this is an EP from Japan-born and Berlin-based producer Shingo Suwa on Acid Camp. Seishin means spirit. And this record captures exactly that. A message born in isolation and echoed through friends. Clay Wilson delivers two standout reworks on the B-side of this record, and the late Jansen Lovehand adds his own reflective remix. A journey of connection, memory, and finding yourself through sound. Let's dive deep into this one. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy! Shingo Suva, fantastic track. The whole EP is a wonderful trip, I would say, incredibly versatile record. Okay, let's just take a minute to talk to you about Flusso Music. Flusso Music is powering the show, and it's a project dedicated to experimental underground music. It's a project that I created together with Matteo Salviato, based in Venice region in northeast Italy, and we decided to give birth to this project to support local musicians that want to explore music in different creative ways that normally wouldn't find a fit in other labels or in other channels. Hello, Zelda. This is Zelda, one of our music cats. She loves to hang around when we play records. So Flusso Music, it's a project dedicated to this, to all the musicians, all the creative producers that want to break the barriers and push their limits, exploring new creative paths, and that's what Flusso Music is about. You can find out more about this project on flussomusic.com. Go check it out. There is also the opportunity to sign up for our newsletter in case you want to stay tuned on the upcoming news related to Flusso Music. So stay tuned, flussomusic.com. All right, so 0 to 100. We started to warm up, got our ears nicely treated by these initial gems, and now comes another special record. This time I'm talking about Steve Bicknell. Lost Recordings number 4, a deep cut from SB Productions. Steve Bicknell's Lost Recording number 4, In Order to Remember One Needs to Know, that's the title. It was originally recorded in 1998 from London's iconic Lost Dance Floor. It's now back with a refreshed artwork and a powerful remastered version by Peter Van Hosen. I'm gonna drop the needle on this one and we are going to enjoy it together. Stay tuned, we are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy! Steve Bicknell, Lost Recordings, number 4. In order to remember, one needs to know. Remastered. Oh, a fantastic trip. I'm really enjoying this series of releases. We have already shared with you the number 3. This is the 4th one. Let's see what's going to come up next. We can't wait, Steve, to see what you're going to be releasing with this series of records. Fantastic, fantastic work. Okay, let's just take a minute to talk about this YouTube channel. So, every month I have a look at our stats, and with surprise I found out that this month, the 70% of you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel. Only 3 out of 10 visitors actually decide to opt in and subscribe to stay tuned on future episodes, YouTube premieres and releases that we have on this channel. Now, we are happy to have you joining the show. We put a lot of effort and time to plan the content for this YouTube channel, and we are happy about how it's going and the way it's going. But you can help a lot by just tapping on the subscribe button and dropping us a like on the videos that you enjoy the most. And feel free to share this channel or the videos with your friends or like-minded people that might enjoy the experience as much as you do. So let's try to push this number and see if we can get closer to 100%. So subscribe, ModeZeroOfficial, and feel free to interact in our live stream show. You are welcome. Great. Okay. Now, we are moving on, in our journey from mellow vibes to pick our bangers. And the next record, it's a unique one because it comes from Yotam Avni. I never met Yotam in the real world, but I had the opportunity to interact with him online, especially on Instagram. I deep dived in his Bandcamp page, and my attention got grabbed by the insane amount of great tracks he released in the past, keep releasing and keep working on. And there is a special one that was just released on vinyl, and I'm talking about South Bend, the South Bend EP, and we have it right here, and I'm gonna play for you in just about a second. Here we dive into a deep world, high energy sounds crafted by Yotam. And this release is another powerful one, I would say, part of the Arts Collective series. If you haven't heard it yet, I'm going to encourage you to go and check also the other versions that you find on this EP, because it's jam-packed with pure energy. So this is Yotam Avni, South Bend EP. We are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy! Yotam Avni, South Band EP, What a Journey. Arts Collective Series. This is a gem that is not going to leave my bag anytime soon. Well done, Yotam. All right, so up next we have a standout cut from Primordial State. The new project by Sven Eckhoff and Markus Suchut. After their contribution to the VA series, this debut EP is their first full release together. A deep, atmospheric blend of rich texture and hypnotic rhythms. Settle in for a refined journey through their signature electronic sound. It's not the first time we share these artists on this show. I know you enjoyed their previous production, so I can't wait to share this record with you. It's been actually challenging to choose which track to share because it's jam-packed. The 4 versions you find are incredibly versatile. I'm not gonna spoil it, I'm gonna just let it play. Enjoy, take it all in. We are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Primordial State, what a fantastic release. Response EP, Sven Aikoff and Markus Sukut. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful EP. All right, so let's take a minute to say hello to the chat. Hello, Matteo Gandin tuning in. He says 100%, 100%. Back at you, Matteo. Yeah, let's also take 1 minute to, well, say thank you. To thank you for the support you give us. As you know, we have a merch line that you have available from the ModeZero.xyz website. If you visit our website, link in the chat, you tab on the merchandise tab, it will take you to our online store where you can buy these shirts, you can buy a line of gadgets that you can use to power your days, and all the money we get every year from the sales of this line of clothing and these gadgets, we give it and devolve it to AIRC. In Italy, AIRC helps and support the research and fight against cancer. Is a cause dear to us and to our heart, and so every year we try to do what we can to support, and we do this thanks to you. So thank you for those of you who bought something from our store. You are powering your days with great clothing and great gadgets that enables you to get the best out of your life, and we thank you for that. So if you haven't checked yet our store, go over to ModeZero.xyz and help contribute to a great cause like fighting cancer. Music goes a long way. Thank you for your support. Okay, also I want to take 1 minute to share what's going to happen this month, because we have a jam-packed month. Let's see if Zelda lets me grab my my phone, and here we have it. But I could actually share with you the program that we have for this upcoming month. And here we go. So this month we have an unbelievable calendar, because it's packed with a lot of DJ sets, live premieres and appointments that you don't want to miss. Let me open it over here so I can walk you through it. So we obviously start like every month with our 0 to 100 show, the show that you are enjoying right now live, and this is not pre-recorded, so you are always welcome to join us, interact with us on the chat, and share your thoughts, your suggestions, your requests. We're always happy to have you. Then we have on December the 4th, we're going to have another live show, and this time is going to be off the record. Stories behind the grooves. This is a nice series of live shows dedicated to tales, stories that comes from guests that visit us here at XYZ. And this week we're going to have Loris Altafini and Daniele De Marchi from More Than House Records. There's a lot planned for this episode. It's going to be beautiful. There's going to be a lot of stories that are going to be shared, and stories that probably you have never heard. So tune in December the 4th. Then on December the 10th, we're gonna have another episode of Off the Record. This time we're gonna have guest Pauls, the magic duo from Conegliano. You probably already know them for their DJ sets and their productions. They're gonna join us live. They're gonna bring us up to speed on what's going on in their creative universe, so do not miss that on December the 10th. On the 13th, we're gonna have our digital party, XYZ Digital Party. This is a party that has a limited number of entries. So if you are interested in joining us live for this event from wherever you are, whatever country you are connecting from, whatever device you are going to be used, you are welcome. Just get in touch with us, sending us a direct message on our social channels at ModeZeroOfficial. And we're going to be happy to share more information about this. It's going to be a long one because it's going to start from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central European Time. Exclusive for those who will register. XYZ Private Digital Party. December 19th, we're going to have the premiere of Ilazi, recorded at the basement in beautiful Belluno in the middle of the Alps, in this underground crib packed with a great sound system, where he performed a DJ set, and we are going to stream it live on December the 19th, 8:30 p.m. Central European Time. On the 20th of December, there's going to be another event here at XYZ in the real world in Conegliano in Italy, and also here is going to be an invite-only event. So if you're interested in joining us, get in touch via DM for info and location. And we're gonna close the month with a back-to-back set played by Barbe and Koratz from the Plastic Cuts and Plastic Box team. It's going to be a 2-hour vinyl set, back-to-back. It's an amazing premiere, recorded at the basement in Belluno with the help of Ilazi. Do not miss them to close this year with a bomb back-to-back set. Okay. This was a quite jam-packed show, I would say, but we are always happy to have you joining us live. So thank you for those of you who I see connected now. We're gonna close today's show with the peak hour banger. As you know, in this show, 0 to 100, we start with mellow vibes, chill records to then gradually move to the end of the show playing the peak hour bangers. And today we are gonna wrap up the episode with an incredible release. I had this in my bag for a while now, but I haven't shared it yet. I'm talking about Lidval, En el Proceso is the name of the release. It was released on Crazeform as KREI001. This record explores immersive textures and deep grooves, blending intricate rhythms with hypnotic layers that draw you into this sonic world. I had really to write down these thoughts before sharing it because it's such a trippy record and I wanted to make sure I could distill it for you to help you get the best out of it. Well, we'll listen to one of the standout tracks from this record together. Let's dive in. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy! Litval and El Proceso, wonderful record, unbelievable release, jam-packed with pure energy. Thank you for joining us today for another episode of 0 to 100. We're gonna stream live again, the next episode next month. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And of course, on all our channels on social networks, it's always at ModeZeroOfficial. Enjoy!